Day after Christmas. They're calling for a blizzard, and I've been up all day waiting on it. And finally, it's here. 3:30 in the morning. Check this out. This is cool. It is coming down so hard you can't hardly see in front of you. Yeah. This is so much fun driving. Nobody out. You know, I'm not going to harm anybody, but by myself. Well, no, I'm just kidding. I got a 4-wheel drive truck, so this right here is pretty damn cool. You don't see stuff like this much anymore, so I'm going to soak it in and have a little fun tonight. If you could see that all the way across, how hard that is snowing, that is just wild crazy. Little southeastern Illinois blizzard, 2012, December 26th. They're calling for 7 to 14 inches here in this area. Up until 6 o'clock, I believe 6 or 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, supposed to be blizzard conditions. And it is now 3:30. So we're supposed to do this for 5 straight hours. Very cool. Alright. I'll get off here and I'm going to have me a little fun around